Do you ever open your craft room door and feel overwhelmed by scattered supplies, blank walls, or dull lighting? What if your creative haven could be transformed into a stylish sanctuary, where every color, tool, and corner sparks inspiration and efficiency? In this video, we'll explore 10 thoughtfully curated craft room decor ideas that balance flair and function, energizing your workspace and fueling your passion. Let's turn that chaos into calm, and your room into the perfect place to dream and create.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can organizing your craft supplies marry form and function? An organized space boosts both creativity and clarity. Start by sorting essentials into clear labeled acrylic bins using handwritten script or pretty stickers for a boutique look. Add glass jars to showcase colorful ribbons, buttons, and beads, perfectly organized and visually appealing on open shelving. Finally, install a pegboard wall to proudly display scissors, brushes, spools, tape, and other frequently used tools as decorative, easy-to-reach accents. Together, these storage solutions create order while transforming everyday items into artful decor. Like it if clear, color-coded storage inspires you. How do you optimize lighting and color tone in a craft room? Lighting and color set the mood and elevate function. Install daylight-balanced LED overhead lighting paired with adjustable task lamps for precision work like painting or stitching. Choose soothing wall colors such as soft teal, blush, or pale mint to enhance creativity without overpowering your senses. Bring in accent walls or colorful bins in complementary shades to energize the space visually. Thoughtfully layered lighting and a harmonious color palette together support better focus and discoverable inspiration. What layout supports seamless creativity and comfort? Designing your layout with purpose makes crafting flow effortlessly. Center your workspace with a sturdy table large enough for cutting, gluing, and painting. Arrange so you can move freely around it. Place a rolling cart or drawer unit nearby to hold in progress projects, then push it aside when you need space. Reserve a cozy corner chair with a side tray for sketching or taking breaks. This zoning, making, storing, relaxing, helps streamline focus, inspires creativity, and ensures comfort during long craft sessions. How can you display ongoing projects to inspire creativity daily? Let your projects take center stage to fuel motivation. Use wire grids or floating shelves to showcase completed work, mood boards, or material samples, creating a rotating gallery of your creativity. Position a rolling cart with transparent sides to store works in progress, blending visibility with practicality. Each display should be updated regularly to reflect your latest inspirations, creating a visual timeline that encourages you to keep exploring and achieving new milestones in your craft journey. What smart multifunctional surfaces should you include? Versatile surfaces support diverse craft tasks. Begin with a sturdy table featuring a self-healing cutting mat anchored into the tabletop for clean trims. Install a fold-down wall shelf to serve as an additional workspace when needed, ideal for wrapping or prepping. Cap-based cabinets with butcher block countertops. They're sturdy enough for glue guns and easy to clean after messy projects. These layered work surfaces seamlessly serve multiple purposes while maintaining a neat, cohesive look throughout your space. How can DIY decor add personal charm and inspiration? Creating your own decor turns your space into a reflection of you. Make a ribbon curtain to conceal open shelves or supplies, functional and whimsical. Sketch and paint a simple frame around a pegboard for a decorative mural-like statement. Recover a lampshade in your favorite printed fabric to unify colors. Add a framed corkboard or bulletin board with custom molding to pin quotes or inspiration. DIY accents bring personality, making your space feel authentic and encouraging daily creativity. Check the playlist in the description for DIY decor tutorials. How do textiles and greenery enhance mood and comfort? Soft textures and plants revive a crafting space. Place a woven area rug beneath your table to absorb noise and provide comfort during long sessions. Use fabric-lined baskets to store scrap fabric, yarn, or tools, combining warmth and organization. Add low-maintenance plants like pothos or succulents on shelves for natural beauty and cleaner air. Together, textures and greenery bring tranquility and inspiration, making your craft room inviting and renewing, even during creative marathons. How can you maximize vertical storage without visual clutter? Walls unlock major storage potential. Install floating shelves above your work table to store jars, books, or tools neatly. Hang storage buckets or wire baskets on rails for readily accessible supplies. Use a tall, narrow bookcase for vertically stacked bins and decorative pieces. By shifting storage upward, you preserve floor space while cultivating a visually pleasing and organized environment that keeps everything within reach, yet out of immediate workspace clutter. How do you integrate technology without compromising aesthetics? Smart tech integration boosts convenience and ambiance. Build a hidden charging station inside a decorative box to keep wires out of sight. Attach an adjustable tablet arm to your desk for watching tutorials or referencing patterns. Position a compact Bluetooth speaker on a shelf for background music while working. Add soft LED strip lights under shelves for subtle glow. These tech elements enhance functionality, while carefully integrated design ensures they blend stylishly into your craft environment. What affordable upgrades deliver a big visual impact? Budget-friendly improvements can revamp the look remarkably. Choose peel and stick wallpaper for an accent wall. Transformative yet low commitment. Replace generic drawer pulls with brass or pastel knobs for a designer feel. Add a patterned or vintage-style rug for warmth and charm underfoot. Line drawers with cork or decorative paper for hidden delight. Paint a single shelf a bold color for visual pop. These minor updates create a polished, refreshed aesthetic without needing a full renovation or breaking the bank. With thoughtfully organized supplies, purposeful zones, layered lighting, inspiring decor, and budget-friendly enhancements, your craft room can evolve from chaotic to creative sanctuary. Each idea adds style, ease, and renewed energy, setting the stage for your best work yet. Begin with one change, and watch your space and imagination transform.